It's Jason Bourne. Coin vote, Tony X TOPSLOT.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
HJB top 3 from the list, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. Couple of moments left for us together. Let's get through them. There we are. 25x on number 5. Come on, guys, brace yourselves. Who would like to see the number 5? Well, the question still.
This is the amount of money issued 244,850 euros.
Is on 5. Why? Because we have 25x on top. That was some serious win right there for a lot of us. Jelly 7 with 10,000 euros, number 1 pair, 4,019 winners all together. Yeah, wow, that's exactly right. That's 25x multiplier. It's no joke, guys. On top of a lot of things that could make things better.
And 1 second. Interesting nickname, betting time, so you can place those bets again. Does anyone remember back in the days there were those TV series, I think they were called 24 Hours. Does anyone remember them? I remember it was such a big popular thing in my country. It was 24 hours, right? And you knows what I'm talking about? Pachinko with a 4x on the TOPSLOT. Raj saying you're simple but cute. Thank you very much. Lovely to hear that. And you're really nice. I like that. And one more. Let's go. Second bonus game with the TOPSLOT multiplier already in this session. Pachinko 4x. Alright, Pachinko, this time every single one of those multipliers will be multiplied by 4, which is a really nice multiplier. Alright, let's see. Starting out with a 2x, so the minimum will be 8x, which we don't want to catch. Then there's 5x, 7x, 10x, 15x, 20x, 35x, 40x, 50x. So the max multiplier 200x, we do have the possibility of catching 200x again. 160, 140x is looking really good as well. Hoping on one of those red multipliers, definitely, right? So, ladies, gentlemen, max multiplier is 200x, so that is what I'm hoping the puck will go for. All right, it's been released. Where's it going? 140 would be good. 140.
This is the amount of money issued 368,759 euros.
We have 3,959 winners with 140x. Comes is Raz and Ad. Top victories, 2 of them are more than 13,000 euros. Betting times here, you can place those bets again. All right, that's another great catch on Pachinko today with me. Yeah, we have had a 200x, 80x, and 140x on Pachinko today with me. So I would say Pachinko has been quite on point. Had a 500x like less than 20 rounds ago on a crazy time. So I can sing old school RuneScape. Oh, that's old school. All right. Yeah, that's the reason. Like I was thinking RS like sounds like RuneScape, but everyone's just saying RuneScape. Back in the days I was playing it. I haven't been playing it since though. Pachinko with a 4x on the TOPSLOT. But in reality, I absolutely love the game. I think like for the time when it was released, it was such a big game. There were so many things to do. It was massive. Maybe Pachinko? That'd be fire. Let's go, ladies, gentlemen. Can you bring a bit of noise there? We have Pachinko with a 4x TOPSLOT multiplier. Let's go. I think previous time when we caught Pachinko 4x with me, today we caught 140x. Am I right there? I think it is so, right? They're starting out with a 20x in reality. 5x, 7x, 10x, 15x, 20x, 40x. So, well, there is something that will look really good. That 160x, would definitely love that. Still, there are some nice options there. I hope you will catch still one of the best of the best, the top of the top. Some moments, some memories. Max multiplier 160x. Are you ready? Let's go, everybody. This might have been the last spin with me today. Let's see what we are catching. 160x would be such a great grand finale.
This is the amount of money issued 460,656 euros.
Something to remember. 5,546. You just got 160x. Boom! And best of luck with visitors. The one which is Mattis. Let's go.
Yes, it is I. Hello, nice to see you. Wow, 160x. Wowie.
No, I see you. Enjoy.
Now that is something that tickles the pickle in the right spots. Woo, papi. Let's go.
The collector.
B, Van, and Joe. Topic 3 more than 260 euros. Betting time so you can place those bets again now. Hello there, Strat. How you doing? How you feeling today? How you been? What have you been up to? I would say I'm quite the same as I was like 2 years ago. Haven't changed that much, but well, if you say so. I think like we are all changing every single day in a way, right? Crazy time with a 5x on the TOPSLOT. All depends on the mood as well and like what great has happened that day. This could be a crazy time with a 5x, and it is. All right, ladies and gentlemen, isn't this looking good? Isn't this what so many of you wanted? It is crazy time, but this time crazy time with a 5x TOPSLOT multiplier. This could be big. So follow me, let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, decide which flapper are you going for. Is it green, is it blue, is it yellow? Well, a lot of you have gone for the blue flapper. Max multiplier 500x. Maybe some doubles. Are you ready? Let's go, everybody!
This is the amount of money issued 565,538 euros.
Let's go. 5,178 champions comes MC8, Rabiz, and Kyla. Beautiful victory. Stop it to more than 20,000 euros with a 500x multiplier. 75.
Well, yes, indeed. We'll go for it. Raz is all about congrats to top threes. Jason Bourne. Good luck, y'all. Nico, what if you're my stepdad, huh? It's Jason Bourne. Coin flip with 20x TOPSLOT. Oh, you are my stepdad, that's it, Nick. Well, Nico, why am I not why are you not paying for me, Bring some bread, I will. Coin flip. Yo, wait. Guys. Pressure's on. Paying for you? No, I mean, if you're my stepdad, you need to cover my, like, you know, bills, my phone bill, my everything, you know. Anyway, we got 20x, 15 blue, 2 on red, 20 times all of that, 300 blue, 40 red. I don't want to press this button. Okay.
This is the amount of money issued 1,038,165 euros.
Yeah. 3,879. What is that? Not? We'll go for it. Zolraz and Danny can out these. We'll go for it. Beautiful 278,000 buckaroos. That's spicy money. Let's go. Dollar bill, you know where on the fridge, baby. You know it. Nico, I got you. I get 3 coin flips in a row. Third time's the charm, right, guys?
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.